Yesterday, we ordered off the menu as well.
Hey, Joey.
You know what's so weird about that is doesn't everybody just order off the menu? I mean, what do they give you?
Sometimes like at a lunch where the president would host, there would be a set menu, so you don't get a choice.
Whereas at this one, they just bring out the menu book and they go, what do you want, Georgios? What do you want, Nick's? What do you want? And that kind of thing.
And there's always, and I'm sure that the former presidents got some of their own favorites.
What do you think?
Just keep it going.
Hamburger, yeah, the hamburger.
Wait, Big Mac? Is that what you want?
We didn't order out.
You didn't order out? You had something, yeah.
Yeah, we had
right. That's fair enough. Now, what is the task now? I noticed that there's a lot of legacy building. It's sort of the idea, like, they put out...
Joey. Joey.
Here's this thing. 100 things Americans may not know
about... You didn't get the bound copy.
No, I got the one copy. This is where we print off the PDF. 100 things Americans may not know about the Bush administration record. The thing that I found most interesting about it is it's not numbered. So what I was wondering was...
We need you for a proofreading.
What do you think? There's about 62 things in here?
We can count, but you don't have enough time.
Is that the difficult part? Is I imagine you could very easily feel very